Welcome to a new video, guys.
Oh, so Adam told me something very interesting.
Yes,
You'll hear a lot of commentary, so listen out.
thanks for that advice.
No, because they're always like mulching and they're always chopping out trees and stuff. And he's asked them, excuse me, if you have anything I can take his mulch. So I get like a big garbage, heavy garbage there.
We removed the pumpkins. They were ready, and we put them to good use. That's a new one growing.
Oh, the pumpkin plant
vine.
went to their side, Lamar. It's tiny, but yes.
We noted some growing over
It's
by
at
the
the very
neighbors.
end.
Wait, come this way. Watch the fire.
I'm coming, honey.
Watch the fire. Yes, honey. So let them know they got pumpkins.
Let's see if it grows. It starts
Lamar's
out.
already making plans
It's not really.
for next year's garden, guys. So stay tuned. He has a lot of ideas.
I think after harvesting
Yeah, it did its job. I mean, we got so many. I didn't even cook a lot. You want to take one more squash for Denise, or she's had it?
A lot has died back. That's the
It's on
zucchini
the
plant.
very
As
end.
soon as, those fell off. They completely fell off the vine, and we harvested them. They
Here, we
taste
got
good.
more
They're
squash.
sweet,
Did you see this?
but soft
Look.
on the inside. Those also fell off. They started. They
looks
looked
like
a little
it's
bit
the last
wrinkled,
one.
and I
This one
wondered
too.
about them, but they actually
It's
fell
not
off.
getting enough water.
So I think the
we're gonna
plant kind
re-water
of
this
conking out.
whole entire area.
I put fertilizer at the soil. I put some more compost. We'll see if the plant decides to produce anything else. That's the other pumpkin plant. Hasn't yielded anything, but I'm just really proud of it that it even made an attempt.
Oh, I
From
found
way
one more
back
flower.
in the garden, it came through. So
then I gotta
tomatoes,
cook.
waiting for them to turn red.
Anyone want raspberry? I got one. Blackberry, sorry.
Should not be red.
Blackberries. Harvested one.
Tasty.
Lamar tasted it this time. It tasted a little sweeter.
Hey guys, just some of
This
the
is
things.
just
We
us.
went away and came back and picked some stuff.
Showing a little of what we harvested.
Good night, growers. We just picked our pumpkins, and Lamar thought they were ready, but we did a few little research, and what we found out was that if you hit it and it sounds hollow, it's good. So that's good. Okay? Hollow. Also, if you try to put your finger in it and it doesn't easily allow you to do that, make a mark, for instance, then it's ready. So it means it's hard enough. So these we're ready to pick. We're gonna let them sit in the sun overnight, and then we will do our next project of making pumpkin pie. So let's see. This is where we picked it from, and as you can see, the leaves around it were slowly dying away. You see little tendrils forming right where it was. So these are signs that they're ready to pick. I know.
Look at the birdie fell.
A birdie? Oh my goodness. This one, the same thing. You see these little tendrils and the leaves and everything around it just dying off. So it's definitely ready. As you see, all the leaves around it were dying. The one that's here doesn't get as much sunlight, but if you knock on it, it's hollow as well. You try to put your finger through it. Kind of, it's also hard enough. So this is not bad to pick either, but I'm gonna let it yellow and get all ready. This vine goes all the way to the back. And I don't see anything else really growing very well, but there's one that was doing well, but I think it's dying off. It's shriveling up. So We'll see. It seems like each plant only makes like one thing. And it's like the plant invests so much in that one thing. So, you know what? The plants know what they're doing, and I'm not going to say it or anything against it, but all the efforts go into making one good one. I know, I'd be careful. They're prickly, be careful. You see, our method was the trellising method. Didn't produce as much, but whatever it did produce did well. So, I have no comment. This okay is our next one. It's growing. It's small. It's growing on a little branch there, and I think it's the only one. Again, these plants put so much into just the one. Ooh, but I believe. I'm sorry. Do you see it, Siri? The pumpkin, yeah. So much goes into just the one. So let's see what happens. Don't step on the plant. Don't mind, love. Good. So we'll see how that goes. It seems like at the end of this one, there might be like another one that wants to happen. So we just watch and see. Yeah, you see, I don't know if you can see it or no, but there it is, tiny and yellow. We'll see what happens at the end. Guys, have a good night. Nighttime videos, always a pleasure. So these are pieces of eggplant that were cut up from the garden. They were about these size. He cut up about 2 of these, and he made some sort of egg mixture. That's batter, flour, eggs and heavy cream. This is just flour mixed with some seasonings.
It has some planko seeds in there.
Planko seeds.
And they're dipped in there and they're fried.
And then fried it. And what we're making out of the eggplant we grew is eggplant parmesan. Soon we're going to be making pasta, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is just the sauce. But you could even throw some of the tomatoes from your garden into your sauce, cut it up, and let it. She chose not to do that. So, yeah. But guys, these are just some of the things you can do with the stuff that you grow. Makes a nice, tasty, healthy meal. So here we are, just harvesting some kale. First I had to cut away some of the grapevine. Our grape plant never bore anything, but it's blossoming with the branches and the leaves. So I just cut it off so that the kale could have some room. And then I just slowly took off a lot of the kale. This is the plant that my husband loves to cook, loves to eat. And so that's why we planted it. I'll be honest with you, this plant we grew from scratch inside the house, from the seed phase. It was in April that we started, and we used the sunlight and heater, and we did all the things, and I brought it outside thinking it's not going to survive, but they did. 3 of them actually got to the adult stage, and this would be our second time harvesting. So I took quite a few pieces, brought it in, and was able to cook, and you'll see that. So I would say to you, if you're a city dweller and you don't believe in starting from seed because it's too much, or you think that it's not going to work out, this is some encouragement. It worked for me. It definitely worked, and I would do it again. It helped us in terms of our kale production, and definitely lessened our grocery bill in that sense. This is our cucumber vine, and this I'm showing you now is the eggplant. Grew very tall. This plant, I really don't know what it is. I thought it was Brussels sprouts, but it hasn't produced any. This is me just picking a few tomatoes to go, and of course some strawberries.
My husband complains that the strawberry just didn't produce as much as he thought, but I think we just definitely need more. So I'm gonna definitely do this again next year, but do more container growing. This is our pepper plant. It's doing really well. I picked maybe 4 or 5, 6 even this whole season, and one of them I grew again from seed. So sometimes your work in the beginning does determine the end result and may also help you later in the season. It grows slower, it seems. Those are our blackberries, and just everything is moving along. This is the tomato side of things. You guys know all about the tomato story. It is, a lot of them are still green, and I'm just hoping that things change. It's not as hot as it was a month ago, so that's probably why. I have an interesting story as well. Our cantaloupe just fell off the vine when they were ready. And so we've already started to eat them. They were a little soft inside, but they're really sweet, and it's just nice to see them. This is our pumpkin plant throughout the week. Before we actually went ahead and picked them, before they turned orange. So guys, thanks for watching. And God bless you guys. Enjoy. Grow and enjoy everything that you grow.